In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Monday.com account. If you need to permanently remove a Monday.com account, the process is fairly straightforward, but there are a few important things to pay attention to before you confirm anything. Since deleting an account is usually irreversible, it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need any of the boards, files, automations, or billing information connected to the workspace before moving forward. To begin, log in to Monday.com using an account that has admin access. This is important because account deletion and billing controls are typically only available to administrators. So if you're signed in with a regular user profile, you may not see the options you need. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or account if you manage more than one. Next, click your profile picture, which is usually located in the corner of the screen. This will open the main account menu where you can access several settings related to your profile and workspace management. From there, go to Administration. This is the section where Monday.com keeps the higher level account controls, including security, permissions, and subscription related options. Once you're inside the administration area, open the billing section or the account settings section, depending on how the menu appears in your version of Monday.com. Different account types or interface updates may place the option in slightly different locations, so don't worry if the wording is not exactly the same. The key is to look for the area where your subscription and overall account controls are managed. If your account currently has an active paid subscription, you may need to cancel that subscription first before the platform allows you to fully close the account. If that requirement appears, go ahead and complete the cancellation process carefully. Be sure to review any notices about billing periods, remaining access time, or what happens to your data after the subscription ends. After that, look for the option to close or delete the account. This may appear near the bottom of the settings page or inside a more advanced settings section. When you find it, select it and read every message on screen carefully. Platforms usually include warnings here to make sure you understand the consequences of deletion. Finally, confirm the deletion request carefully. Take your time during this step because once the account is deleted, recovery may not be possible. After you confirm, watch for any final confirmation message or email that indicates the request has been completed successfully.